Hi all. Well, actually not all. Kindergarten and first grade. I'm hoping that this video will give you a different way to set up your team meets so that you can avoid the very odd, very aggravating no join button problem. So hoping this will help. This was suggested by the folks, the MS Teams trainers downtown. So here we are on my Canvas page. I'm going to go to announcements. In announcements, I'm going to add an announcement. Link for team meeting. Actually, I should put a date with that so she knows what I'm talking about. Friday, October 2nd. This is the link for our team meeting. So I'm going to walk through those steps in just a second, but just so you know, this could be an announcement that you leave there, and it could be the link for the team meeting indefinitely. It can be the link for the team meeting for this month. It could be the link for the team meeting for this week. You have options there. You can leave it there and let it exist. It is not recommended that you do that, say, for months on end, because the security of the link kind of comes into question at one point or another, or the efficacy of the link comes into question at one point or another. I don't know how, but they said don't just use it like all year long. So the next step is over here in your toolbar. You have one of the tools is a plugin. If you don't see it there, it may be in the snowmen or additional content. I've already used mine, so it's moved to here, and that could have to do with the width of your screen as well. So when you click on that, the first time you ever use it, you're not going to see Microsoft Teams here, nor will you see it here. What you'll likely see is a long list of them, or just the link to view them all. So I'm going to view them all so that you can see what it should look like the first time you're doing this. So as you go through the apps, which can be used as plugins with Canvas, you're looking for the Microsoft Teams meetings. Click on that, and it's going to open an option to create a meeting. I'm going to hide this. Sorry, it's in the way. It's going to ask you to sign in. If you aren't currently signed in, it'll walk you through a window of signing in. If you are signed in, it will just throw you to the create meeting link. So here, link to Miss Kelly's team meeting. I don't know why I keep doing that. This particular meeting is for October 2nd from 9:30, I think. This kiddo goes until, I want to say, like 10:45. Now, this time here doesn't particularly matter much. That's more about the calendar. So you don't need to worry a whole bunch about this. If you don't see a create button, just scroll up to see the create button. This is not going to control when the meeting starts or stops. This is just controlling when it shows up on the calendar. And I'm going to click on create. It then gives me a link to the Microsoft Team meeting, and what I need to click on is copy. It then throws that link into my announcement, and all I have to do is click on save, and that announcement is saved for me. Keeping in mind that I copied it, so it's in the memory of the computer temporarily right now. So here's the link for the team meeting. That announcement until I delete it. So that could be a recurring place where kids or parents can go to in order to link to the team meeting. Another option is many of us have a link on our, or an image or a text on our homepage, and we can edit that and add the link there as well. So as I edit that, I'm going to click on the image, and insert an external link. Oops. Hello. Close that. Try that again. Sorry. I've gone mouse spastic. For some reason, it's not doing. So that's okay. I'm just going to go, back to announcements. Just to show you that it's an easy fix. When I click on that message, I'm going to right click on the message and copy the link address. I'm not sure. I must have done a poor job the first time. Then I'm going back home, edit, clicking on that team meeting icon, external link. There we go. Done. And I'm going to link the text as well. External link. Done. I'm going to save that. And then what the students will see is they'll see that link that they can go to, click on it, and it's going to kick open automatically the option to join the conversation. This looks a little different, obviously, on an iPad than it does on the PC. So it will throw them straight into joining the meeting. So that's the story. Again, in Canvas, that announcement link stays there until you remove it, and you have that link that will go directly to the team meeting. So that will eliminate the need to see that join button. So hopefully that will help out. Fingers crossed. Please let me know if you try it. If you don't want to try it, if you want me to walk you through it in person, anything is fine. So, okay, bye. I have to go back to my page.